कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिसमें आप सोचते हैं कि आप बेहद काबिल हैं?
कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं जिसमें
आपको लगता है कि आप काफ़ी काबिल हैं वो सब
मैं
करने या?
हर चीज में, ये मेरी सोच है. My premise in my life is that I am able and capable of doing every single thing that I want to do. And I think we all should have that same thought process. Because that is the starting point. If you don't believe you can do it, then you can't do it. So I truly believe that we all are capable of doing much, much more than what we think we can.
Thank you. Well, Sanjay ji, and I don't think, should I ask with Sanjay ji or Mr. Rakesh? आपकी मूवीज़ में अब तक जो भी आपने मूवीज़ बनाई हैं बेसिकली वो डिसेबल लोग जो हैं उनके ऊपर जो है रही हैं ज़्यादातर जो है, लेकिन जब आप ये मूवी कर रहे थे तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था और कितना मीन्स अलग हट के आपको लगता था ये जॉनर रहेगा?
चैलेंजिंग काम करना ही में ही मज़ा आता है. जो आप सब्जेक्ट लेते हैं, जो आपको स्लीपलेस नाइट्स देते हैं, उसी पिक्चर को कामयाब बनाना, उसी में एक सफलता की एक जीत होती है. तो मैंने आज तक जितनी भी पिक्चरें बनाई हैं हमेशा अपने आप को चैलेंज किया है, अपने आप को स्लीपलेस नाइट्स दी है कि मैं ये पिक्चर नहीं बना सकता लेकिन बना के बताऊंगा. और वही चैलेंज मैं फिर ऋतिक को देता हूँ कि ऋतिक ये तुम्हें ये रोल करना है, कोई मिल गया, मैं तुम्हें क्रिश बनना है सुपर हीरो, तुम्हें काबिल में ये रोल करना है. और वो भी इस चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करता है और पूरी तरह से निभाता है. संजय, यू वुड लाइक टू ऐड समथिंग ऑन दिस?
You said it all.
ऋतिक, here. हाय ऋतिक, ये कोइंसिडेंस ही है कि आपने संजय जी की जो गुजारिश की थी उसमें भी आपका एक डिफरेंट तरह का रोल है और इसमें भी डिफरेंट तरह का रोल है, लेकिन उस रोल में आप जितने लाइफ के लिए उतने पॉजिटिव नहीं थे और बहुत निराशावादी थे, और इस फिल्म में आप लाइफ के लिए बहुत पॉजिटिव हैं और एग्रेसिव भी. तो ये रोल उस रोल से कितना डिफरेंट है गुजारिश के रोल से?
मेरे ख्याल से both the characters were very positive. Ethan in Guzarish was also a very positive character. 17 साल he chose to create his life in the best way possible in spite of being a quadriplegic. And after 17 years, he feels that now he's done it all and now he decides that he wants to end it. So that is also a very positive character. I don't think I would ever do play a character which does not spread some light, some brightness into the world. So all my characters have been bright in some way. In some way, it needs to be a little inspiring because I need to be inspired. But Kabil, I realized that from all the characters which I have played, there have been some which have been challenging, like Koi Mil Gaya, Guzarish. But Kabil has definitely been one that I had to give most time to, and most effort in the prep. Because I realized that as an actor, to develop the skill of playing blind takes time. It took a lot of time to understand how to get the body language right and how to, reacting for the first time is one thing, but reacting again and again and again when you have retakes makes it even more tough. So in that regard, it has been different because it's taken a lot of more time and more effort. And I think it's one of the most difficult roles that I have tried to play.
राजेश जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, सेंटर में तो कभी ऐसा लगा कि आप ऋतिक को किसी गाने में प्रयोग में लाएं?
मैंने गवाया है अपने ऋतिक को फॉर द फिल्म काइट्स. उसमें इंग्लिश गाना है एक, इन्होंने गाया है, बहुत अच्छे से गाया है, बहुत मेहनत करी हम लोगों ने, और मेरे ख्याल उनका ये फर्स्ट गाना था जो मैंने गवाया. इज दैट सॉन्ग? इज इट सॉन्ग राइट? And after that, he started to sing outside, and he's been singing so well, that yesterday I was hearing the song on the radio. जो salsa number है, डुगु, अपना salsa का number जो है,
Senorita.
हाँ, वो Senorita गाना मैं सुन रहा था, तो when his part came, my God, I was shocked. भाई ये आदमी कैसे गा रहा है ऐसे गाना? Unbelievable, that is. I don't know where he has to go from here now. मैं तो कहता हूँ वो गाए, प्रैक्टिस करे और बहुत अच्छा सिंगर बन जाए.
ऋतिक, आप रोशन खानदान से, हम चाहेंगे 2 लाइन अगर आप गुनगुना दें, चाहे वो टाइटल ट्रैक ही क्यों ना हो.
क्यों मुझे पता था कि नेक्स्ट सवाल आपका यही होगा. हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन का. हाँ,
बट सर आप बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं,
दिस क्वेश्चन वाज एक्चुअली फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. हाँ,
तो मैं माहौल बना रहा था मैं. 2
नहीं
लाइन.
यार, आज नहीं, कल.
Hello, Yami. My question goes to you.
Ma'am,
in
I
the
can't
center.
see you.
Oh, hi. Yami, working with Ritik was you were nervous. Means such a big banner, Rakesh ji and all that. I just saw that Ritik hold your hand while coming down. So much comfort zone is there. How was
That's
that?
courtesy. That you call that a courtesy, just
Yeah,
to clarify.
right.
And secondly,
Yeah.
it's sometimes maybe the heels, sometimes the dress, sometimes the steps. Better, no?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. You were nervous and all that. What was your reaction in the sets and all that with him?
I like this part of the question, first of all. And secondly, yes, of course, I was very nervous. And I shared that with Rakesh ji. I remember meeting Rakesh ji first, and I told him, sir, I'm very nervous. And he said, so what? Even I get nervous before my every film. And you know what? You must share that with Ritik because he really appreciates honesty. So why don't you just share with him and you, because we never met before. We met on the set. तो मुझे याद है आज भी पहला दिन जब मेरे शॉट को भी टाइम था and Ritik was giving his introduction shot and I was like, my God, he's already Rohan, he's already in character and have I done enough or have I prepared enough? And there were so many questions and that's just me. That's nothing to do with anybody else. Sanjay sir had gone like, Sehami, please relax now, chill. Everything will be fine. And everybody, and when I met him for the first time, of course, I said, hi, I'm Yami, and I'm very nervous.
And I said, thank God, because so am I. So we were both very relieved that we both were starting on the same platform, you know. And then I think all of us, because we were honest about how scared we were doing a film like this, I think we all began that process of helping each other and, you know, taking care of everything and everyone on the set so beautifully. We all felt very protected, I think. That's very secured and protected. So it was beautiful.
And literally helping each other to make sure not the other one trips. So that answers both the questions.
Hi Ritik, watching you dance of course is an absolute pleasure but every film of yours has a dance number and so does this one, despite you playing a person with a disability. Was there ever a question in your mind, like when we are watching it, we're like, you know, how is that even possible? So I'm sure there was a question like that in your mind?
Yes, there was. There was a question about a lot of things in my mind when I was playing blind. But then I opened my eyes and I looked around in the world and I saw not one, not two, not 10. I saw thousands of unbelievable stories about the blind and what they are capable of. I have met blind CEOs of companies which make millions. I have there are blind photographers who are national awardees, blind kung fu champions, a blind photographer, a cricket team, blind lawyers, musicians, vocalists, guitarists, I mean, you name it. So when I realized all of this, I also realized that now Kabil bears a huge responsibility and I and Yami bear a huge responsibility to make people aware. Yes, I want you to ask that question. I want you to ask that how can they dance? Because then you'll get an answer. You'll get the answer which will be the truth of what happens around. What is the truth in this world of ours? And this stereotypical conditioned mindset of what blind means has been actually projected by our films only. Where in our films, the blind is, thoda help. It is not like that. It is absolutely not like that. That is why I said that they are not just as able and capable as us, they are maybe more, because they are doing it with one sensory less. So they are more, in fact, capable. I'm not just saying it, there are examples which I think in due course will come out
One of the
through the
examples
process
was also,
of
I
this
think,
campaign.
Udan, how we started
Yeah,
the...
we just saw an example this afternoon, and there are so many more that it will soon become commonplace, which is why I said that I wasn't surprised, I wasn't shocked, I'm not exhilarated. I am happy that they are here and they are playing, and I'm seeing them. I'm saying these guys are cool, man. They're so cool. Black glasses, and they're like, the rock band. I love it. So, which is what needs to happen. We all need to come to an understanding that the blind is people who we need to be very casual about now, and challenge them more, because they are ready for that challenge. Yeah.
Ritik, it's great that you've, tried to remove the tag of disability from blindness, but unfortunately, a tag of disability has come onto women with the recent case of molestation that happened in Bangalore. And this is what everybody is talking about. Have you read about it in the news? And what was your reaction when you heard about it? And how can we prevent it?
I wasn't here. I didn't see the news in real time. But yes, it is sad. We all bear a responsibility, and we all must do something about that. I feel very strongly as a father, as a member of this society, that if something like this is happening in an environment so close to me, then I definitely must be impacted, I must be affected, and I must do something about it.
Guys, last 2 questions, please.
I take decisions. So I've decided to be even healthier and fitter in this year, because मेरी सोच है that if your health is with you, then you have everything. If your health is there, then everything else is depending on your willpower and your drive. So I only pray for health. I pray for the health of all of us here. Happy New Year to all of you, and wish you a lot of good health this year, even better. So you can, yeah. उसके बारे में आपको backstage में बताता हूँ.
Right, that's all we have for you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for the entire team of Kabil over here. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Sir, I want to ask you that because both of you are playing the characters of blind people in this movie, what kind of preparations did you have to go through, and how different was it for you to play the blind person compared to a regular normal person? What all things you had to prepare especially?
Keval, I have to confess, picture के पहले I was not aware of the blind world. I did not know how much strength and talent and such inspiring stories existed around me, and I did not know. And I feel so ignorant, and I feel responsible now. I want to spread those stories, the people that I met. I met a lot of incredible human beings just like you, and they influenced my mind so much that I changed my process of getting into this character. इस फिल्म में, स्क्रिप्ट में पहले कहीं there were little nuances or little things in the film which was building sympathy for the characters. But when I met my blind friends, just like you, I removed all of those little things. Anything that created sympathy for my character, I scratched out. I removed it. I removed it from my character, क्योंकि पहले हर एक्टर चाहता है कि मेरे कैरेक्टर में एक थोड़ा सा एक sympathetic look आ जाए, तो I can buy the audience, Once the audience feels sympathy for you, then the audience is on my side, then I can do whatever. So you feel very secure. After I met all my blind friends, I removed that from my acting. So when I enacted this, I said I'm going to play this guy exactly like the way I am, because I am exactly like you are, and you are exactly like I am. So that was my process, and I'm so thankful that I learned this, and now I think both Yami and I, we bear this responsibility to make people aware. Not just aware, but it's so inspiring that we are, living blind to the abilities and capabilities that we have as human beings. And you are here to prove that. You are here to break those lies, break those misconceptions. And so thank you for that. Thank you.